Good morning, all of you. That's exponential and powers we started. So, read these exponential forms. First one is how we can read this 8 raised to the power 4. X raised to the power 4. Or simply we can read x raised to 4. X raised to 4. Then next one 3, and what is the power? Which is the base here? 3 is the base and 2 is the power. So how we can read it? 3 raised to the power 2. So if the power is 2 and 3, they have some special names. So we can read it simple as 3 squared. Okay, 3 squared. Next one, base 5 and which is the power? Power is 3. So we can read it as 5 cubed. Okay, next one, base 16 and power is 45. 16 raised to the power 45. Next one, base minus 3 and power is 4. So minus 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, now when we expand negative bases, okay, we can just check it. If the number is minus 2 and if the power is 2, how we can expand this? Which number? What is the base here? Minus 2. And minus 2 we are multiplying how many times? 2 times. So what will be its value? Minus 2 into minus 2. So that we know minus 2 into minus 2 is 4. Okay. Now if the same base minus 2, if we take the power as 3. Okay. Then what will be its value? Here the same base and the power is 3. So we want to multiply minus 2 how many times? 3 times. So its value will be, okay, that we already learned. If we multiply an odd number of negative numbers, what will be its value? Its sign will be negative. Minus 2 into minus 2, that we know. 4 plus 4. Then plus 4 into minus 2, it will be minus 8. That means if we multiply odd number of negative numbers, its value will be negative. Next, if the same base minus 2, if we take the power as 4, that time also what will be its value? Negative or positive? You can imagine that. Minus 2 into how many times? 4 times. So its value will be 8. 8 into 4, 16. Negative, how many negatives are there? 4 negatives are there. So its value will be positive. So we can reach to a general form if the if the base is negative and if the power is even numbers. If the powers are even, if the power is 2 and 4, that are even numbers, then its value we got positive or negative? Positive. Okay. Now for a negative number, if the power is odd number, then its value will be negative number. Okay. So that is a general form. If the number is negative, if a negative number with even as the power, then its value will be positive. And if a negative number with the power odd, what will be its value? Its value will be negative. This general form we want to know. For any negative number, if the power is even, then its value will be positive. Then if for any base with the negative, then if the power is odd, then its value will be negative. Okay, that's a general form. Then, so all of you understood how to read an exponential number, and all of you understood what is base and powers of a number. Here 8 is the base, power will be 4. Now in this case 16 is the base, 45 is the power, like that. So all of you understood that. Next, for all rational numbers also we can express in the form of that exponential form. Okay. Now, if you want to find out the value, if the question is like that, find the value of the following, then we want to find out its value after multiplication. Suppose one question, it is given minus 4 whole raised to 4. Find the value of minus 4 whole raised to 4. And how we find out its value? Minus 4 we multiply how many times? 4 times. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. So it will be 16 into 16, 256. Then what will be its sign, negative or positive? Here we know 4 is an even number, so its value will be positive. So 256 is the value. Just like we can find out the value of a number. Now, next, how we can write the expanded form of a number? What is minus 4 raised to 4? This form is called the expanded form. Okay. Then 3 raised to 4. What is the expanded form of 3 raised to 4? Expanding 3, how many times we multiply? 4 times. So this is the expanded form of 3 raised to 4. And what is the exponential form of this? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What is its exponential form? This 3 raised to 4. So this form is called exponential form, and this form is expanded form, and we know what is base and power of a number. And value means last we must find out the value. This is the value of this number. After multiplication, what is the product we got? That will be the value of that number. Next, the rational numbers also we can find out. We can use exponential. We can write in exponential form. Just listen. If it is a rational number is given, find the value of 2 by 3 whole raised to 3. This is also in which form? Exponential form, because the power is 3 and what is the base here? 2 by 3. Okay, here the base is 2 by 3 and power is 3. Then how we can find out its value? So same like the base is 2 by 3. The base 2 by 3 multiply how many times? 3 times. Okay, 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, then multiply the, if it is multiplication that we know, that is very easy. Only multiply the numerator, then that will be the product numerator, and multiply the denominators, that will be the product denominator. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, and 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27. So the what is the value of 2 by 3 whole cube? 8 by 27. It's very easy. Another question, if the question is minus 2 by 3 whole raised to 4. Minus 2 by 3 whole raised to the 4. So first we can imagine what will be its value, positive or negative? Positive or negative? Here it will be positive because the power is 4. It is an even number. Okay. So here how many times we want to multiply minus 2 by 3? 4 times. Minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3 into minus 2 by 3. Okay, so its value will be minus 2 into minus 2, 4, 4 into 4, 8, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 9, 27. Okay, so it will be, no, that's how many? 4 times are there? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16. Okay, then 9 into 9, 3 into 3, 9, another 9, 9 into 9, 81. So 16 by 81, the value will be positive. Okay, so that all of you clear. Next, we want to find out if it is happen, one common mistake will happen. Look, what is the difference of these two? If the number is, one question is given in the textbook. What is the value of minus 2 whole square? And another question is given, what is the value of minus 2 square? What is the difference of these two? That we can find out. Here the base is, the power is given for this minus 2, for whole this minus 2. So its value will be minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 we are multiplying 2 times because here a bracket is given. So that whole number, that minus 2 is inside the bracket. Minus 2 full is inside the bracket. So we want to multiply minus 2 here 2 times. So its value will be minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Now here you look, the power is only for this 2 only, but there is have no bracket. So this we can expand like this. Minus is there, then we take 2 square. This power is only for 2, so it will be minus into 2 into 2. Okay, here if it is a bracket, then inside that if it is a negative, then that number we want to multiply. But here it is only, the power is only for the number 2. So the base of that exponential is 2 only. Minus is common for, then minus, then 2 into 2. So its value will be minus 4. That mistake, that's a common mistake all of you want to take care. Okay. Another one. Next type is exponential form. Okay. Then write the following number in power notation using prime factorization. Next, how we can write numbers in power notation form using prime factorization method. Okay, now we want to write a number. Given a number 72. How we write 72 in exponential form? Exponential form we know, write the number in power form. So for that we must factorize 72. Okay, 2 first we can divide by 2, then it will be 36, and again with 2, then it will be 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. So we can write it how many times here we multiplied 2? 2 cube into 3 square. So 72 we can write it as in the exponential form 2 cube into 3 square. Okay, this type and another examples also there that we can discuss next class. Okay, thank you.